So today what we're going to be talking about is we're going to be talking about this website called Instant Street View. It came in handy for me a lot when I used to pretty much like use Craigslist. So um, I use Craigslist to buy like old computers or whatnot, update them, and then sell them for more, sell them for a profit, right? So some of the areas that I used to go to, it looked a little shady or whatnot. So I used to want to just, type in an address that the person would give me, so I can see exactly like what I'm getting into as far as, those addresses that they give me. So I can see like maybe if it's a house or anything like that. Let's get right into it. So for example, we have Instant Street View up right now. So if I was to go ahead and like type in the address, you could type in anything. I could type in my address, but no, come on now. I'm not gonna do that. So let's see. Let's go to this McDonald's by my old hood. Let's see, McDonald's. So obviously they give me McDonald's in Australia first. Even if you don't know like the location, you can still type in like maybe if you know the street name and like the city. So I know this one is on Joy Road, aka the Murder Mac. And there you go, right there, right? So this is like near where I used to stay. And as you can see in this Instant Street View, like it shows you like images of the kind of like it's not live obviously, but it shows you images of the McDonald's, the area. So like you can see the cars at this gas station because it's a gas station slash McDonald's. This right here is a fire station like right across the street from it. You can zoom in using this feature right here, the little plus and the minus sign. The minus is to zoom out. You can actually like move with these arrows too. So you want to keep like, going that way. You can use this tool right here. Click. You use this to like move around. But yeah, so you guys get the gist of it. This comes in handy. You can use it for like any address. So as long as you have the address, you can type it in. So like now I can like go down this street. So this right here is Joy Road, and what is street is this? Let's see. I can't even see it. What is this? Oh, this Ashton. Okay, for sure. Um, so yeah. So like say if you see some people like walking too like on the street, they usually like will blur it or whatever. So yeah. And how they get these like images and stuff, they use this Google Street View car like vehicle or whatever, and they just literally just drive around. And I know they have like this 360 panorama. Is that what you say? I mean, is that what they call panorama view or whatever? And it's just like taking like shots of everything. So like this whole little 360 right here that I'm doing. So like see you see this person right here. It has them like blurred off or whatever. And they like clearly looking at the vehicle too. But yeah, that's all I'm really gonna get into is just to show you all this is how you can see like actual images of any address that you put here on instantstreetview.com. It goes like straight to it. I know if you go to like Google and type it in, sometimes you have to like click a few things before they show you an actual like street view or whatever. So this helps you get straight to like whatever you're looking for. All right, that's all, people. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more of the hot content that I'm going to be bringing here. All right, y'all, stay safe out there.